Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a dual arc plasma lighter from LcFun. You can check this out on Amazon at the time of this review for $17.99, and they also have a $1 off coupon going on at the moment, so you can get it for even less. This lighter is rechargeable, and again, you can pick it up on Amazon. Is it worth your money? Let's dig into it and find out. Okay, so once you open everything up, this is what you get. You get a nice little gift box here. So if you've got somebody on your wish list for the holidays that needs a lighter, this might be something to check out. They do give you a handout here, instruction booklet. It covers a lot of different languages. My only complaint is that the writing on it or the print on it is really, really small. So if you have a hard time reading small print, then you're going to have a hard time reading this manual. Now, thankfully it's a lighter, so we're not going to have to spend too much time on a manual with it. I'm going to explain everything right here. Now, I'll give you a standard USB to micro USB cable for charging the unit. That's also included in the box. You can use a longer one if you want. You probably have one lying around your house somewhere. Taking a look at the lighter itself, this lighter, again, is rechargeable. You're not going to have to worry about any fluid or anything like that. It's rechargeable, lasts about 2 days of normal usage. In testing, they did a pretty good job on this particular point. Now, it is an all-metal lighter, so it's got some heft to it. It's all made out of a strong metal, actually, that holds up really well. And it's got a flip-open top to it. In the bottom, you're going to see that micro USB charge port as well for recharging the unit. Again, you can plug that into any USB on your laptop or your PC, or you can use something like an AC to USB wall adapter, like something like that, or with the one that came with maybe your phone or something like that. So when you open this up, it's going to have this flush button here that's going to turn blue, and I'll show you that in a second once we get everything charged up. Okay, so once you have it all charged up, again, it takes about an hour and a half to charge up. No big deal there. It lasts about 2 days. You're going to flip this open, and it's going to be active. That light will be blue for 10 seconds. So you can activate the arc there for 10 seconds, and you can see that it's got a pretty nice steady arc to a dual arc. And it's very, very strong, and also you don't have to worry about wind. That's another thing. So if you're an outdoors type person, then this is perfect for you. You can notice after 10 seconds that it will go off. So if you accidentally open this, in a bag or something like that, it'll only be active for a total of 10 seconds, and the button is disabled. Now, to re-enable it, you actually have to close the lid on it and reopen it to re-enable it. So if you need it for more than 10 seconds, this is not going to be the lighter for you. But again, once you reopen it, it's active again and usable for 10 seconds. As long as you see the blue light on the lighter itself, you are ready to go. So I don't smoke, but I'm going to show you how easy this is to light something up. And this is just a piece of paper real quickly, and instantly got it on fire. Not a problem there. So that worked out really, really well. It's got a nice 75-degree angle on it as well. So getting into stuff like candles and other things are going to be really easy with this lighter. It's got a really nice build to it. And overall, I think LcFun did a great job on this. So that was the dual arc rechargeable USB plasma lighter from LcFun. And my final thoughts are that for $17.99, you can ditch cheap lighters, you can ditch refillable lighters. It's windproof. The build quality on it is really good. I love the fact that it's rechargeable, just like your phone and a lot of other things today. So I think LcFun did a really good job with this. And with the holidays coming up, this is a decent buy for somebody that's either a smoker or somebody that goes camping a lot, that's going to be in a lot of windy conditions, and they need to light a fire or something like that. I think that this would make a great gift. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this lighter, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.
Oh,